Welcome to our Doodle booking platform review. Check the description for links and resources. Doodle is an intuitive scheduling tool perfect for individuals, teams, and businesses. It streamlines appointment, meeting, and event planning. Forget endless emails. Doodle finds mutually convenient times for everyone. Whether you're a freelancer, team leader, or event organizer, Doodle adapts to your needs. Its standout feature? Poll-based scheduling. Create a poll, share it, and let participants choose their best times. Doodle then highlights the optimal slot. Fast, transparent, and confusion-free. For businesses, Doodle integrates seamlessly with Google Calendar, Outlook, and iCloud, preventing scheduling conflicts. Share your availability with a booking page, empowering clients and colleagues to book directly. Doodle prioritizes privacy and security, complying with GDPR to protect your data. Customizable branding reinforces your professional image. Doodle's interface is clean and easy to use, even for beginners. Their mobile app keeps you organized on the go. A free version is available, while premium plans offer advanced features like custom branding, reminders, and an ad-free experience. Doodle is a powerful, versatile scheduling solution. Simplify your time management. Give Doodle a try. More details are in the description below.